Still building record cards with labels, containers, and images? Developers often spend more time fixing layouts than building features. One small resize can break alignment, spacing, and responsiveness across the entire app. Microsoft introduced the Card Modern Control preview to solve exactly this problem. Let's build this step-by-step inside Power Apps. First, go to make.powerapps.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. From the left menu, click Create, then choose Canvas app from blank. You can also open an existing app if you already have one. Once the app opens, we can start enabling modern controls. Click the three dots in the top toolbar and open Settings. Under Updates, turn on Modern Controls and Themes. Since this is still a preview feature, this step is required. Once enabled, Modern Controls will now appear inside the Insert menu. Now let's build the layout. Go to Insert Layout and add a container. Resize the container to give proper spacing for the gallery layout. Inside the container, insert a vertical gallery. You can use either horizontal or vertical containers depending on your design. Next, connect your gallery to a data source like Dataverse, SharePoint, or SQL. I'll use an equipment table from Dataverse. As soon as the connection is complete, Power Apps automatically loads your records. Then go to Insert, add the Card Modern Control directly inside the gallery, and instantly, notice the difference. The control automatically handles spacing, alignment, padding, and visual consistency. Now let's configure the card properties. Start with the title property. Set the title to thisitem.name so each card displays the customer's name dynamically. For the subtitle, we'll show the customer status. Use thisitem.status reason to display values like active or inactive. Next comes the thisitem.description section. Here we can display important details like the customer's information, interests, etc. You can also display images. Bind the image field using thisitem.entityImage. This makes the app far more visual and user-friendly. One of the biggest advantages is responsiveness. The cards automatically adapt across screen sizes. The Card Modern Control represents a major shift from data entry-first systems to decision-first applications. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more Power Apps and Power Platform tutorials.